what you expect from life, and if you don't get it, you basically become unhappy. And that's what I learned from coming to Ajna's course. And it taught me left brain, right brain is all one brain. Taught me happiness, sadness is all one energy. There's only a difference of the point of view. So the course really opened up my eyes to understand the gentle attention that you need to give to the drama and your own self-narrative, and that allows you to understand the illusion of ego, the illusion of guilt, the illusion of fear that we are always influenced by and that we always identify. So coming to the course helped me confront my own narrative, and it allowed me to give myself a second chance and understand what it is that I'm interested in and what is reality. So the course is hands-on, very experiential, and it is something that's inclusive for all personalities because it touches upon the basic fundamentals of what someone wants and what creates unhappiness in someone's life. So I would strongly advocate this course if you would like to understand the world that you live in, the society that you're a part of, and the human being that you identify with.